Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare some lovely green beans fry with the peas. I bought a little bit of green beans, which is 500 gram. They nice, young and tender. And then I have a 250 ml, that's a cup of frozen peas, which is going to go with the green beans. I cut a medium size of onions for the braising, and thereafter I'm going to throw in my mixed masala and a teaspoon of rough salt for its taste. You can use salt accordingly to your taste. And then I have a half a cup of oil to braise my green beans. Okay, I have my stove on moderate heat. I'm going to add in my half a cup of oil. I'll let this oil to actually heat up a little bit. Okay, now the oil is heating up. I'm going to add in my onions. You can see I don't have many ingredients to my green beans because this is going to be a quick fry sort of curry. Now I'll allow these onions to fry out till it's turning light brown. Okay, my onions are almost getting done. This actually brings me a thought. In the afternoon, when you get the smell of onions braising in the neighborhood, you'll actually know your neighbor is cooking their meal. Now I'm going to actually reduce my heat and thereafter add in my green beans, which was cut and rinsed out. You see how young the green beans is. I will mix this in. When adding to young green beans, it's nice to get it even white fry, tastes really nice. Now I'm going to add in my peas to it. Okay, green beans go very well with the dadra, dabla. You can make a full meal with potatoes and your green beans. Now I will actually add in my teaspoon of salt and give it a good stir, and then I will cover my pot and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes, but I'll be watching it as it cooks. Okay, 10 minutes has passed us. Now I'm going to actually add in some water and allow it to simmer till the water is reduced. So this is a cup of water I'm going to add into the cooking. And allow it to cook till all this water is reduced. Okay, 10 minutes has passed and the water has simmered away. And I don't like to overcook it, then we'll lose the freshness of the green beans. Now from this point I will add in my masala. Then I'll increase my heat just a little. Then I'll give it another 5 minutes or so to fry out. Okay, I gave it another 5 minutes to actually fry, and there you can see how beautifully it's fried out. Your green beans still whole. Now it's actually done. Then I'm gonna just garnish with some lovely fresh dhania, and I'll switch my stove off. That was one quick method of cooking green beans, especially when it's so young and fresh. There you go, a lovely quick green beans fried recipe. It goes well with dal, and I have a little nuts chutney that I made for a few days before, and it goes very well with the nice hot roti, and that's one good meal to have quickly. Thank you all for watching.